If you haven't tried this, go get you some from Walmart. Delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a collaboration with a bunch of people here on YouTube, and it's hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6. I will have the playlist with all of our videos as well as Tiffany's channel linked down below. Today all of our videos have to do with cereal, so we are all going to be making one recipe or however many recipes we want to using cereal. So being that I am a busy working mom and I have zero extra time in my life, it feels like, I decided to go the easy route and do no bake desserts. So the first dessert, and I have it saved on my phone here, I'm going to be doing peanut butter Captain Crunch treats. And then I'm also going to be doing a Cheerios bar. So both of these recipes use marshmallows. I think they both use peanut butter. I've got some M&Ms. I've got the cereal, the Cheerios, the Captain Crunch. Calls for butter. None of these are healthy, is what I'm trying to say. But I think they're going to be easy to make, easy to put together, and have for a quick snack or something. If you're going to a picnic, this would be a really good, easy option for you guys to bring for a treat. So, and it's 7:48 right now, and this collaboration is supposed to go live tomorrow. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Talk about procrastination at its finest. But I meant to get this stuff filmed this past weekend, and life just got away from me. So I have to clean up a little bit, and then I will show you guys the process of putting these treats together. I have to melt some butter, melt some marshmallows, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna not do that much talking as far as a voiceover goes for this video, but I do want to explain a few things throughout. Like I said in the intro, I picked a couple pretty easy recipes to do, mainly because I left this till the last minute, and I didn't really have time to do anything more elaborate, so this is what you get. Okay, so when I was going over this recipe, it basically said once I had melted the marshmallows and the butter to quickly add in the peanut butter and the cereal and the M&Ms. Well, I didn't realize how quickly they meant by that, because everything just started to stick, and like by the time I was getting the M&Ms in there, I could not like get everything mixed together. So eventually you're gonna see me just kind of mixing things with my hands, and I basically just ran my hands under cold water and then mashed everything together in the bowls. So that's what I had to do. If you guys have done a recipe like this and you have a better idea for what I should do next time, let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, so here is the final product for this recipe. I popped this in the fridge so that it would harden a little bit so that we can enjoy it. So this next recipe is the Captain Crunch recipe, and I had really high hopes for this to turn out. And at least in my eyes, which you guys will see at the end, was pretty much a total failure. So okay, this is the second one. I think this is a total fail because it does not look anything like I thought it would. But anywho, as you guys saw, I added some M&Ms in here just because I had extra, so I wanted to get rid of it. But yeah, that is recipe number 2. Okay. So as you guys saw, I am not perfect by any means. I think these recipes were really easy, and the second one somehow I still managed to mess it up. So that's just how it goes sometimes. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for all of the continued support on my channel. Leave a comment below with some other good recipes I can try with cereal. So yeah, I hope you guys get lots of good ideas. Don't forget to check out the playlist. Don't forget to check out Tiffany's channel. Thank you, Tiffany, for hosting this collab. It was so fun. Even though I waited till the last minute, but I still had a lot of fun. And I can't wait to do another one. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever time it is that you're watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!